Hello, I'm Sen, and this is my cousin Sen An.
Hello everyone.
So we're gonna play Ice Cream Factory, and this is and we're gonna place the ice cream inside the ball, the shape. We're gonna use this.
Yeah.
What the shape? This. The second shape. Now I'm going to place this inside the frame.
Here. Too big.
Nah, it's still okay. Oh, come on, it's not using the knife.
Okay. Okay, that's it. I can't power.
Is it working, man? Is it working? Bro, I told you to not make sound.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Wow.
what? Come on, let me. Come on, just let me do it. Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. What? Jesus.
Okay.
Please.
This is ice. This
Feel
is
like the
yellow.
beat.
Okay, we make this ice cream right now. Now we're gonna add something red. Still Play-Dohs, but we're gonna make sprinkles. It's a bit hard to make, but it's still okay. We'll just put random places.
Oh.
Yeah.
In the bowl.
You?
What is this?
I don't know what. Okay, now we're all done. Now we gotta use something like that. Okay, now we're gonna do is just cut the. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, look who I'm holding. You're gonna cut it into small pieces. So, this is the pieces.
What you do?
Say saying, why there's more Play-Doh? Oh, I just wanted to taste so good.
Okay, done. What the card? What the code?
Come on. But we're gonna use a lot of sweat. Don't like this. You'll be better like it.
What? This. Hey. Oh, it's stuck. Bro.
Bro, what?
Stuck.
Okay, then I a good cinnamon ones.
What?
So what? I use this glass for the ornaments. Don't I told you to not. This one. We're gonna use the knife. Banana.
What is
I'm making a banana.
Say again. Banana, choose the.
Hold off at that. Like, I think like this.
Oh, it's a potato. Let's do the mango below.
哦，全部都做成龙色那一边了，安安都没有。
Make a hole like this. Like a a little bit of cookie. Let's make an eaten part of the ice cream. Oh, my banana fell.
Give me a little bit more.
Bro, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Okay, that's
Are you talking about my bone? My bubble.
Is it?
You say my bubble?
No, I think it's really well.
I'm gonna slap your face until you explode right now. You're gonna need. How many cookies do we have? Do you need? ice cream 是全部都是我自己做的，就没有用到那边。OK。Well, my cousin don't have that much time for it. So, okay. Lungat, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You just made something.
I guess we can.
Put this down.
Wait,
bruh! That is my thing!
That's probably make some. Let's make some. Okay, cookies. Okay. Don't mind, or else you're done for everything. You're done to my cookie. I guess let's split half of my banana.
As no Play-Doh with me! I want Play-Doh.
Yeah, we're gonna make a half thing. Half. Make my banana back.
This is my thing now.
Cause you make it for my banana.
The one the banana the one put here?
Okay, are you finished?
One already.
What already?
Count down. 10,
Wait. Just
9,
give us.
8, 7, 6,
Please don't.
5,
Please
4,
don't.
3,
I mean,
2,
please.
1. Ta-da! Ending.
No, please stop.
Ending.
妈咪，我都还没弄好。
哇，容安的。哇。
妈咪，我都还没
It's
做
good. Okay, how about
好。
you? How about you?
还没做好，妈咪。
哎
打开。
挖一个洞了。哦。OK， 来
Next time
再
we'll make more food. Like and subscribe for more foods. My play-doh.